for single basket electric fryer. First off, the overall dimensions. Okay, come back to right. We have a length of 10 3/4 inches. A depth of 16 3/4 inches. And height of 11 inches tall. Coming to the top will be a power and heat indicator, on and off switch, and temperature gauge. Removable top cover, and beneath is the single basket. All right, beneath the basket is a removable cover with a heating element. Measurements for the frying well will include 9 3/8 in length, 11.5 inches in depth, by 5 3/4 inches in depth. Basket can be removed and inserted back onto a spot, along with the top cover covering the basket. So the back, you have the 110 120 voltage plug, and right below will be the ET-ZL certification.
For all questions, give us a call or visit our website, coolerdepotUSA.com, for more information on this part.